here's the special announcement I'm going to make. I am opening up an Alaska Inner Circle mastermind group where we go over 6 hunting locations to hunt each year. We actually go over 12 hunting locations. Oh, did I mention that I'm only going to allow 5 people into this circle? 5 serious hunters. At the end of the year, like I said, we go over 12 locations and we break it down to 6. That's perfect, right? The 6 top. At the end of the year, the core 5 get to decide where they want to go out of the 12, really, but the 6 top. And they know everything on where to put the boat in, if there's going to be a boat needed, where they're going to fly into, what remote location they're going to fly into. Everything is broken down. He will know exactly how to go, where to go. We pull up Google Earth. This is Alaska Inner Circle for elite members. It doesn't get any higher than this elite member. And at the end of the year, you actually walk away with 12 hunting locations. 12. And 6 that we all agree that are elite locations for moose hunting. So what is a serious hunter? I keep saying, what's a serious hunter? A serious hunter, I'll use myself. I have spent $100,000 on an airplane. I've owned 4 planes. I've spent thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of hours flying all across Alaska. And I'm doing this because I want to show you how serious I've been and how passionate I've been to do all this because of one thing, 2 things. I wanted to find the very best hunting locations across Alaska and fishing spots across Alaska. And I have hunted and fished in some of the most blessed locations in the world. But that's the level of seriousness that I'm gonna expect out of people that want to be in this group. And I'm gonna handpick you individually. So if you're serious, down in the comment section, say, I'm serious about this, I want to do this. 5 people are going to get 12 locations in 1 year, and 6 are elite locations that we will come up with together. And this is how I've been doing this for 30 years and why I've been so lucky to have harvested so many giant animals in Alaska. I can't wait to share it with all of you guys. Good luck.